In this video, we'll discuss how you can activate Badoo Premium. So here's a step-by-step guide that I have written for you. So to do this, you actually activate Badoo Premium by opening the Badoo app on your mobile device. Next, access your profile, which is typically the person icon. You can tap on the menu icon, usually on the top left, and then select profile or find a profile icon on the bottom, which is the person icon. Next, go to your settings. On your profile page, tap on the settings icon, which is a gear or a three dots, usually on the top right. You can find premium option by scrolling down and finding the section for premium or upgrade. Look for options like Badoo Premium or Badoo Plus. Now select your plan based on the subscription package that suits you. We have 1 month, 3 months, and more. Once you have chosen your plan, just follow the on-screen prompts to complete the payment through your linked App Store or Google Play account. Once you're done with that, you should be able to enjoy freemium and the subscription will activate, giving you access to your premium features like saying who like you and profile views. Subscription usually auto-renews, so remember to cancel at least 24 hours before the end of your term if you don't wish to continue. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.